everyone, my name is Kim Bomin. I'm a planner of free company. I plan the overall of free market. I'm trying to come up with new themes for the free market. Today, I'd like to talk about free company vision. First, I will talk about free company motto. Do you know our company motto? We respect and love their freedom. This is Free's motto. By providing a free marketplace, everyone will find their freedom. The seller sells the product she wants to sell, and the buyer buys the product she wants to buy. We think their freedom in this progress is beautiful. Free wants you to gain happiness through freedom. Then I will talk about our company goals. Free company has short-term goal and long-term goal. Our current goal is to open our second store within a year. We are trying to make people satisfied with the free market. Through various marketing and high service, we will get people to know our company and participate in the free market. We will scale up our company and business overseas in the long run. Our company will design a free market for each country. Finally, free company will be loved by all over the world and grow greatly. Finally, I will talk about our company statistics. Among users of free market, 20% are teenagers, 50% are in 20s to 30s, and 30% are in 40s. Also, the revenue of 2019 is 50,700. We will estimating a revenue for 8,000 in 2020. Thank you for listening.